My name is Naufal. I'm from Java, Indonesia, and I'm just a guy who loves Islam and wants to talk about it honestly, simply, without making it complicated. That's actually a fair question. I'm not a scholar, I'm not an expert, but I grew up in a world where Islam was everything: the classrooms, the dormitory, the daily routine. A traditional Islamic boarding school in Indonesia shaped the way I see these religions, and I've been learning ever since. I'm still learning actually. I just want to share what I found along the way. Islam, but also education, because I believe the two were never meant to be separated. You'll find videos about Islam in Indonesia, the culture, the people, the stories. And if you're looking for something to read or write in, I also make Islamic book and journal for kids, for adults, for anyone who wants to connect with this deen in a quieter, more personal way. Because Indonesia is home to more Muslim than any Arab country in the world, 230 million people, and somehow the world still doesn't know much about us. I want to change that one video at a time. Stories from Java, Indonesia, from mosques, small streets, and real everyday life. Conversation about Islam, its history, its values, its beauty, and sometimes a book or a journal that might help you carry that with you. Whatever you find here, I hope it teaches you something, even just one small thing. Not at all. If you're Muslim, welcome home. If you're not, I'm really glad you are here, because honestly, the best conversations about Islam happen with people who are genuinely curious. So stay curious. This is Java, this is Islam, and this is just the beginning.